You have a dream. You want to be your own boss. You have this amazing business idea. But starting a business? That's scary. It feels overwhelming. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be hard. It's 2025. We have AI to help. Yes, AI. Forget complicated paperwork and expensive website designers. You can launch your business today, for free. It only takes 5 minutes. Seriously. Let me show you how. Meet Durable.co. This website is your new best friend. It's a website builder. But not just any website builder. Durable.co is powered by artificial intelligence. It's magic. Tell it your business idea and boom, it creates a website for you. It's that easy. No coding skills needed, no design experience required. Ready to launch your business? Let's do this. Go to Durable.co. You'll see a button that says, Get Started Free. Click it. Next, tell Durable.co about your business. What do? What's your business name? Durable.co uses this information to create your perfect website. It's like magic. In seconds, your website is ready. You'll see everything you need, a homepage, an about page, and even a contact form. All you have to do is add your personal touch, change the text, upload some photos, easy peasy, hit publish and your website is live. Congratulations, you are officially an entrepreneur. From website to cash machine monetization tips. Now let's make you some money. Add a services section to your website. List all the awesome things you offer. Want to get paid directly through your website? Easy! Connect your website to Stripe or PayPal. These tools let people pay you online. Secure and simple. Last step, get the word out. Tell everyone about your new website. Share it on social media. Tell your friends and family. You are open for business. The Side Hustle Secret Weapon Website Creation as a Service. Want another amazing business idea? Use Durable.co to create websites for other people. Many small businesses need websites but don't know where to start. That's where you come in. Become their website hero. Charge a fee to build their website using Durable.co. It's fast, easy, and profitable. You are now a tech wizard. Unleash the power of AI. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. See, starting a business doesn't have to be scary. With free AI tools like Durable.co, anyone can do it. What are you waiting for? Start building your dream today. The world needs your ideas. Go be great. Beyond websites, exploring the AI business frontier. Websites are just the beginning. AI is revolutionizing everything. From marketing to customer service, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. Explore other AI business ideas. What problems can you solve with this amazing technology? The possibilities are endless.